Perfect for a small dog or a cat. Boom.
Hey everybody, so today we're going to be talking about a carry-on dog bag. So very nice material. You got lots of pockets so you can put treats, you can put his poop bags, and also it comes with adjustable straps. So when you put your dog in, there is a mesh little area for them to look. So you just tie it up just a little bit so there's a little head, or if a cat can also fit in there too, tie it up if you like. The straps here on top is very adjustable. It comes with padding as well, so if the dog is super heavy, you can have some padding here that is very comfortable. You can also put it as a cross bag right here on top, so you can have shoulders just a little bit better. You can put it to the back, or you can carry it in the front. Has mesh pockets. Has a mesh pocket here so the dog can see what we're going to be doing. And also too, on the inside, if you can see, is very spacious and is very roomy. Has a little bottom container, so it also has a softer thing so they can be very comfortable. And also has like a little bamboo thing as well, depending on where you want to do. Another cool thing about this too is that you can also put this on top where your leash is or your collar is at, so you're able to tie him up onto this thing here so he can be steady and stable in here rather than trying to jump out of the bag.
Oh, look at this. Panchito loves the bag. You ready to get out?
Ya que llegues, pero sí. Cuando les hablé no me contestaron.
You're not going to get out? You don't want to get out? It's time to go.